Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally we are done with the P case, and so I got to know that Q case already reached Mumbai and other regions there, but it is yet to be available in Chennai. So once it is available in Chennai, I will be unboxing that as well. Hopefully we will be getting at least one case here, at least from my connects. So with that said, like I promised, I'm just going to unbox few cool things this week. So let me start with this. So this is the Volvo 240 Drift camper, and this I bought in a local shop only. So it looked really nice. So I did hear a couple of negative things about this particular casting. It's something plastic or something, but I'm really not sure. So let's unbox and see whether this body and everything is plastic or it is metal or what they're talking about. Because I didn't go through the full review, I just saw in one Reddit comment, so I'm not sure. Okay, so the next one is most awaited one. So this one is the Optimus Prime. So finally I'm able to get my hands on this one. So okay, next to that, so we did receive this premium, the pop culture premium. So I bought three of those. Let's start with this one. So this is the Corvette C8.R. So I think I do have one more C8. You can see it here. Let me just, you can see here, that is the C8.R only. So which I unboxed I think nearly a year and a half back. So that one I bought from I think Dubai. Yeah, I actually bought it in abroad, but I don't remember it's exactly in Muscat or exactly in Dubai. But this is the same casting but only with a repaint. So next one would be this. I know this is from the last pop culture set, but originally I didn't buy these things because I felt it doesn't look really good. But some people are asking me to unbox this, so I unboxed that Nissan, sometime Nismo sometime back. So I went ahead and bought this Skyline as well. So let's unbox this, and this is my personal favorite, which is the Turtle Party Wagon. So so it looked really nice. It has some moving parts, as you can see here. So we will be opening this and see how this is actually looking in hand. It is actually heavy, pretty heavy. So I'm happy with this one. So okay, the last but not least for this week is this. So this is the Audi RS 6 So we do have a mainline casting of this. We unboxed that, but okay, let's see how the premium one looks. So because it's full metal and all. So all of this these ones I bought for MRP, not even a penny more. So there is one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Finally I was able to get my hands on this. Someone was asking, telling me to unbox this one, but that point of time I was not able to get. But luckily I was able to get this one. So this is a freebie actually. It is not for sale. You can see it here. It is promotional item, not for sale. If anyone is selling this to you, just ask them straight away why you are selling this. Okay. So we did remove one guy from one of the group because he was selling this for I think around 350 or so. So yeah, and this will be the unboxing for this week. So the muscle and blown, if it is not doable on Saturday, I will be moving that to next week, but surely it will be there as a video. So stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.